How to fix Snapchat sound not working on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat sound not working on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here just click search apps and then type here Snapchat. Now click on it and here click storage, and then all you need to do first is just click clear cache and then click here for stop, and after that click permissions and allow all of those permissions here, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.